Lanz Cabinets was established in 1969. We're still in business, constantly growing. We build 3 different versions of cabinets, and we ship all across the West Coast region. I'm the maintenance manager, so I get all the headaches of keeping equipment running. At Lanz, we have over 300 pieces of equipment, 3,000 items and spare parts, and that's mainly why we use MPulse as far as a maintenance software system. Tracking of my maintenance software, mainly all of my preventative maintenance. You can schedule it out. It automatically comes up when it's due. That way I don't have to have a pen and paper or documentate. It's all in the computer system. I can go research it, I can correct it, I can change it. You're able to link all your inventory to your preventative maintenance, also to all your repairs. So that's huge. It has multiple reports, so it's really nice because you can track from the day the machine's in, all your cost of maintenance for parts, labor, everything, all the way through the history of that piece of equipment. As far as our spare parts inventory, another feature of MPulse is very nice to link it to your equipment, especially if your technicians are looking for a part that they can't find. In a production environment, production is number 1. Maintenance is always second, but in my job, it's the most important. The scheduling feature and you knowing what date it's coming up due helps you coordinate with your production people. Now that we've expanded, our big goals are tracking the cost of repair on our equipment. Parts, downtime, all of that for your equipment can be tracked through MPulse.